Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel Susan Gold. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super fun and cute hairstyle for your children. And this hairstyle, you can wear it anywhere. You can use it in the playground like a friendly hairstyle. So not just to show you this hairstyle, while we also style this hair, I'm going to tell you how to care for the hair and how to take care of kids' natural hair. In case you are wondering on how to care for the hair after styling it, and also how to care for your kids' natural hair. So we are going to be doing everything together in this video today. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through all the way. So are you ready? Let's get to it, guys. I hope your water is ready, or your rosemary water, because you should always spray your child hair before you start making the hair. Even if you moisturize it, if you feel that some parts is still tangle, spray water there and apply your leave-in condition to detangle the place. So what I did right now, before I start making my kids hair, I always spray it with water before moisturizing, but I find it kind of the down of that place, it was kind of still tangle, so that's why I sprayed water there, and I just use my comb to brush it before I start the sectioning. So I'm going to section the back into two. Then when I'm done, I will be using Shana Jam to clear the parts. Guys, what I'm using now is really not Shine Jam though, but it's hair gel. Let me call it that way. It's not Shine and Jam. It's another hair product, which I'm going to be dropping the link and the name in the description button, in the description section. Sorry. In case you are interested, you want to like kind of try it, you can just go ahead and place your order. So why I'm using different products sometimes is I don't want to rely on one product in case that particular product is out of stock. I can be able to use something else. So it is better I keep trying different type for for my own good, you know. So now when you are done with the pattern, you're done with I promised I was going to talk about how you take care of hair. So although I've explained a little, so when you're done with the sectioning and you see the way I did it now is big. It's the hair, because this hairstyle, please, I recommend you don't make it tiny, because it's we're going to be using hair kinky afro. So it's kind of the hair is look full, but it doesn't look, it's not heavy, but it looks full. Okay, so now when you are combing the hair, you comb it gently and don't drag it. This is how you comb the hair in a protective way. So here is the quantity. This is the quantity of the kinky afro I'm going to be using. So it's not much. Don't make it big, because she's a child. If he's adult, you can make it a bit big, but I recommend as a child you should use very little quantity. So if the length of the one I am making now is not what you want, so you can split the hair into two so that you will get the size that you want. But in case you started and you made a mistake, you can always just trim it to your own desire. Okay, so after this now, see we are making it. So I just like keep weaving it to some extent. That is where I started using rubber bands. So this is where I stop. Just take rubber band. You can take black to hold that place if you want, but I use colored. If you feel like you can use black, so I use a rubber band to hold it there, you know, just like this. See the way I'm doing it now, like this. So it's still remaining some hair. So that is a natural hair there. In case you're also making long hair, Your child also have long hair like my daughter right now. So you see, that is the remaining hair there. I don't know why I'm not kind of seeing it well. So what you want to do is you hide it inside. You hide it, use the kicking afro to cover it. Then at the end of the tip of the hair, you will use rubber band to hold it there. The reason for this, in case she's playing, the hair will not go off from there. So when you know that that's where the tip of the hair is, just use rubber band to hold that place. So I'm going to show it again. The way I explained it just now, like I decide to kind of make it far. So, and I want to explain it again. I hope you follow me. So after you section the hair, just like so. So you have to apply very little gel around the hair. When you are done with this, it's just to pick the little hair, which is the front of her hair, along with the hair. But don't hold everything together. If not, she's going to feel pain. You see now, so I'm trying to hold my daughter's hair. See the way she's opening her mouth. So see what I'm doing now? I'm spraying water there because it feels like there is something that is kind of tangle. So I just sprayed water, which I'm going to use my hand to do, and I'll comb it afterwards. You see, this is how what I explained. Whenever you are making hair and you feel that something is there, feel free, stop the hair, comb it, spray it if possible. If you want to apply, if you see that it's too thick, maybe what is holding the hair or what is tangling the hair is too thick, apply leave-in condition with water just to open it. Is it's so, because when it's there and you make the hair along with it, it's going to leave the hair damaged, like it's going to tangle more. And that is why you see some people when they undo their hair, it breaks their hair more. So when you are holding the front of the hair, be very careful not to hold those little ones at the front. All right, then as you are holding it, make sure you are not packing everything together with it. We're going to use hair gel. Let me call it hair control. Okay, we are going to use it to take care of the hair later. So don't hold it along with it. So that as you are dragging it, when you are dragging the hair, you are damaging the hair from the roots. So that is why you should not, you should not drag the front of the hair. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look neat. You can always use hair control to smoothen everything later. So do you follow the way I'm doing it now? You see how I explained it before. So if you see that's the tip, where the tip of the hair end, use a rubber band to hold it, and yeah, just keep doing it. So you can do 4 parts, or you can do 5, you can do 3, depends on how long the hair is. So one thing I love about this hair is the hair is not heavy at all. It might look full, but it's not heavy. Kicking coil is really not heavy, and it's so fun to make. And for the little one you are making the hair for, will also be enjoying it. Like, I recommend, if you want to make this kind of hairstyle, to just, don't use much quantity, but use it the way your child will be okay with it. If you watched it this time, it means you are enjoying the video, and I appreciate you all. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by. Why not hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much all for your endless support. I appreciate you all. So whenever you are making the hair, and you section the hair, don't forget to always clear the part with gel. So this way it will leave your hair very neat, and it will leave your hair very strong, which is, if the part is strong and you cannot see undergrowth there, it's very fast. So what I'm doing here, you see, I'm spraying it with water again because I felt something tangle in there. So I'm just going to spray it and I make it at behind the camera. It's the same way I'm making this one right now. So this is the last one. I'm going to just hold it. See the way I'm holding it now? So when you put, after you put your extension or whatever you're using to hold the hair, you hold it along with it and you start holding it. Like if you want to start with the hair first, you can also start with the hair, but this is the way I am making mine. So it's very easy. You see the way I'm doing it? I'm not picking the front of the hair along with it, although she don't have much undergrowth anyways. But yeah, I hope you're understanding it. I hope you're following it the way I'm explaining it and the way I'm doing it. This hairstyle is the most easiest hairstyle anyone can do. Like, and I believe your little one is enjoying the hair right now because kids, they like long hair. They like when you tell them um this your hair is beautiful. I want to make your hair more than what you are seeing right now. Like, and it will make them really feel happy. And another thing is let your child be choosing the color they want. Let your little one be choosing the color they want. And sometimes if they are not if they are good in choosing style, I like them to choose style. Like my kids now, she was not the one that chose this style, but she was the one that chose the hair that I want to use because I have this skincare in so many colors. So she chose this color, but she chose a lot of beads, a lot of hair clip that I want to use. But I had to like tell her, no, it's too much. So I hope as I'm explaining my own part, you are seeing the way I am making the hair right now. So the way I'm putting rubber bands, which is I've explained before. So I just want to also give you tips on how to style kids' hair. So, and some children, they also like tablet. Please, when you want to buy a tablet for your child, buy a protective a tablet. I mean the one that will, when your child is using, to not affect the eyes. Okay, because when you want to make a child hair, you need to do something that will make the child calm. But we also have to be careful, right? So that is the end of this video. Just see the result. This is the outcome of this video. So here it is. You see how beautiful it looks? So if you like this hairstyle, just hit the like button and help us to share, guys. We will really appreciate your support. So this is the result, which I just want to, like, I make it two type. This one, you can just free the hair. So now I'm going to pack the hair. So this I'm packing it. I want her to see the possibility because it's her birthday. I'm making the hair for her birthday. Oh, I forgot to say this. It's her birthday. This is hair I'm styling for her birthday, and I'm going to pack it in a different way, like wrap it, big, make it a big, a cornrow and everything. So I just want her to like stay in this for today, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow is her birthday. I'm going to make the hair another style. So that's one thing I like about this hair. You can always style it anyhow you want. And she's really happy having the hair. And just hold and see the way she also choose the the clip I should put. You see the way she was choosing it. So, I said, when kids, when you allow them to choose the color they want, they are feeling on top and it's making them happy. So I brought my bag of hair clips for her and I told her to choose. And she was happy pointing out the one she wants. And I used the one I can use when it was kind of getting too much. I told her, okay, mommy, we have to stop now and we have to like use another one in another hairstyle. And she was like, okay, mommy, thank you so much. Because if I have to put everything the way she chooses, there will be no space in her hair. So let me know if you understand my explanation in the comment section. And also let me know if you've tried this hairstyle and if you like it or if you will try it. So let me know in the comment section. Until then, I wish you all a blessed day whenever you come across this video. See the way I make it now? Didn't you like it? So just try it on your child, and I believe your kids, they will like this hairstyle. Till I come your way next time, stay safe and remain blessed. Thank you for watching one more time. Bye for now.